Hello, welcome to the training on SAP ABAP. In this video, we will learn how to declare string and different types of string manipulations. So we'll go into the system. I have already created the program. So I'm going to define a string variable. So for defining any variable, we will be going with the keyword as data. So I'm just taking the keyword data and then the string LV, like the variable I'm taking as a LV variable one. And then the type, I am just taking it as a string. Type string. And if you want to set by default value, we can also set by using value. And then the default value I am just passing as this is an ABAP programming. Okay. So now to display this variable to the output, we will be using a write statement. Write and then LV var1. Var1 and then to pretty printer check activate. So now it got activated. We will just see execute and now it is printed. This is an ABAP programming. So now if we want to display some offset of this text, see for now we have this entire sentence, but out of this, if you want to display maybe only ABAP, then we should use the offset. How we will be using a offset is, I'll just give this, and then we can also use one single write statement and then display the values in a separate rows by using a backward slash. So I am just giving a slash and then I wanted to display LV underscore var1. Then we should use the offset. So how we will be using a offset? Just give plus and then the position from where we wanted to display and how many characters we wanted to display, that we have to define it here. So from which character we wanted to display, let's just count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So from 11, so we need to give the position 11 and the number of characters from 11. So we wanted to print 4 characters, then we can use 4 in the offset and then close. And then also if you want to print, like if you want to display the only this, then also we can go with slash LV underscore var1. And then directly also we can give like this one, we can give either this way plus and then the position like offset position is 0 and of how many characters we wanted to print here as well, 4. So this we can achieve as this, or either slash LV var1 and then directly we can define as a 4. So this one will whenever if we do not mention the offset character and directly we are giving like how many number of character it should print, then always it will start from the 0 position. So from here it will start and then it will print how many length we have defined in the bracket. So always remember that whatever thing we were defining in the brackets, it is the length. So as part of variables also, if we wanted to define the length, we will be defining in the length, right? In the same way here also, it is a length. But if you wanted to display from which position, that you can mention before to the length. So here I just mentioned 11th position. That means from here it will start and then it will print 4 characters. And here I mentioned 0, then it will take 0. If we do not mention anything, then by default the system will consider it from the starting position, and in the bracket how many number of characters we are just mentioning, those many will get displayed. So I'll just go with maybe 8 characters to display and then do pretty printer and then check See, here we are getting an error. So if there is any error, it will show in the syntax check. See, it is telling that syntax right slash uline or slash lv is invalid. So it is not a correct format, syntax format. So what it should be, there should be a space for the slash and the variable. So we will just do syntax check again. See, the syntax error is gone. So now we can just activate and then just execute. See, this is an ABAP programming. So here we just used from 11th position to print till 4, and then here we printed 4, and then here without like 0 position we use, and then we use the 4, then it is started from 4. If we do not mention any position from where it should start, then by default it will take from starting, and then it will print how many characters we just mentioned to print. So this is the various string operations. So thank you. Bye.